Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use lookup fields effectively in our ticketing system. A lookup field is a custom drop-down field that allows you to link to different modules within your system for streamlined follow-up and reference. Let's look at this example. You can link an agent as a supervisor to a specific contact group, or ticket. The lookup field enables you to filter data using tags assigned to agents, contacts, and contact groups. This feature helps refine the drop-down options, ensuring more precise and relevant selections. For this demo, I will show you how to tag agents and set up a lookup field for tickets. First, let me show you how to tag agent groups in BoldDesk. I log into BoldDesk as an administrator and navigate to the Admin Center. I open the Agents module under the Users and Permission section. From here, I can add a new agent or edit the existing ones and assign them tags. I navigate to an agent's profile page and select the Edit Agent option. In the form, I locate the Tag field. For supervisors, you would assign the tag Supervisor and save the changes. Similarly, you can tag managers. Now I'll show you how to create a lookup field. The lookup field is supported in the Tickets, Contacts, and Contact Groups module. First, I want to add a lookup field to a ticket form to include a supervisor for each ticket. In the Admin Center, I navigate to the Fields and Forms section and select Ticket Forms. Next, I click Add Field and select New from the drop-down menu. A new field configuration page will open. In the Field Type drop-down, I select Lookup and the data source for this field, where it will fetch data. This field needs to display only the agents who are assigned a supervisor tag. Therefore, I select the users in the data source section and enter the label for the agent portal. I will name it Supervisor. Next, in the Lookup Filter section, I specify conditions to filter the data. I select User is Agent and Tag in Supervisor to ensure only the tagged agents appear in this field's drop-down list. I apply other settings as needed and click the Add Field button to save the field into the ticket form where it will be used. Note that this field will only be visible to agents through the agent portal. In the same way, admins can set up lookup fields for the contact and contact groups. Now, let's see the drop-down list for the added field. In the agent portal, I click Create and select Ticket to open a ticket creation form. You will see the Supervisor field. In its drop-down list, it displays only the agents assigned the supervisor tag. That's how you can use tag support for agents, contacts, and contact groups to configure your lookup fields. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Thanks for watching.